Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought just for something different I would work over this estate chainsaw that I picked up. I think I've had it for about a year now, and I just never had time. I just pulled it out of the shed. This is a Stihl 048 048 AV electronic Quickstop. It does have one of the early chain brakes on it. This thing is like immaculate. It's a little bit dirty, but I mean the paint isn't even wore off the bottom of it. Probably original bar. I doubt if it's had many chains on it. So with a little luck, if I can get this thing going, I'm gonna saw some firewood with it, and I'm going to start by checking out the air cleaner. Well, that don't look too good, but I think I can fix that up. Don't know if you can see that, but I am taking some gas to it. I haven't even looked in the gas tank or oil tank yet. I hope it wasn't left with fuel in it, but we'll see. Well, that's pretty good for now. If I get this thing running and it cuts okay, I will run some fuel through it and then probably put it away, but do a better preserving maintenance on it. I could pull the plug out, I suppose, but I'm just going to try it like it is. Not sure what type of chain this is. It's maybe some kind of semi-safety. It's got this link that kind of rolls up. I don't really like that, but I'm gonna run with it. I'm not gonna bore you guys with sharpening this. Doesn't look too bad. Well, the tank is bone dry inside. I hope that's a good thing. There's oil in it. Got to thinking that maybe this should have a different mix than 50-to-1. Actually, this fuel is, I got a bunch of Quicksilver marine oil, and I'm mixing it, I think it was about 40-to-1, and it said you could go 50-to-1. Can't believe the caps, they're not all chewed up or anything. There's virtually no paint, wore off a little bit on, I mean, it's been used, but it wasn't used very much. We'll take it over to the wood pile and see if it'll fire up. The trigger is extremely sticky. Won't take any throttle. Well, try it a few more times and see what happens. I hate to make any adjustments or anything. It seems like it won't take throttle, it just dies out. So I'll look into it. I'll try it a few more times just running it. Okay, well, all I did was I took my little orange screwdriver out and I did the low speed jet and the high speed jet. Closed them all the way and opened them back. They were both pretty close to the diagram shows one turn open on each one. That's probably a proximity to get it running, and then you can fine tune it from there, and it's amazing. Like I said, I just closed it all the way and opened it, and closed it all the way and opened it. This thing cuts great. I'm amazed. Well, I don't know too much about the 048, but I'm gonna do some research on it. Maybe I can find out exactly what year this is, but I am perfectly happy with this. This is a viable saw for cutting on a deck like this. It's pretty heavy. The tank is cast in, the oil, and I think that's right in the casting. But man, I could get a lot of use out of this thing. Well, thanks for stopping by. See you on the next one.